Welcome back. Hey everyone. I don't know if you're like me. I woke up a little late. I was checking futures. The market was red. I went back to sleep. What I didn't check, and I'm happy to see that during this volatility, yes, yesterday was like a record a record day in the market, and today it's giving back 50% of that. But man, I'm super excited about this quantum trades auto trader. I have two day trade strategies that I'm trying out, and it turns out that they're working now. This is still in beta testing, but two of my strategies failed. I'm only taking small profits, uh, like 10 shares of SPY ETF, 1% profit, and another one was 20 shares. Still, if this strategy keeps working, that's $150 per day. And I didn't do anything. By the time I checked, they were already done trading. Like, done. My robot did all the work. And they would have traded on low RSI, and we have a low RSI today. And they're only taking a small profit. So if you look at the probability of when the market is down, the chance of 1% move is very high, especially in this volatility. Market is very volatile. At one point, we were outside the 50 period Bollinger Bands. So this is the perfect time to be doing a strategy like this, because if I'm wrong, I want to own the S&P when it's down 20%, down 30%. This is the best time. I would not want to do this day trade strategy when the market is, oscillating quietly up. Sorry, English hard. But I will keep you posted. If you want to try this demo, it is free for a limited time. I'll put the link in the bottom. But why don't you can try a SPY day trader strategy, a QQQ day trader strategy. You can try a AMD Stock Flipper. I'm a big fan of AMD. AMD, I have a strategy there on quantum trades, but I want to just own that because long term I'm bullish. So my strategy for the AMD in quantum trades, where is it? I have an AMD flipper, but I'm sure I have an accumulator. I have so many strategies. It's been quite fun. Like this AMD flipper gets out at 2%. This one is a long-term holder for AMD. I'm trying to get out at 10x. This one I'm excited about because anytime the market is down 800%, I'm sorry, when the market is down big and it's down to that 800 period moving average, which is this one, my robot's gonna buy AMD shares. So how cool is that? And it won't sell them till I can get some big percentage. I just put 10x because I don't want it to sell too early. Last time it was below the 800 period moving average. It didn't do 10x, but it did $59 to one. It tripled. So I don't want it to sell me out though. I will manually close out that strategy. But you can do this. You can try it right now for free for a limited time. Go check it out. Anything else? Oh, crypto. Here's the other one that I'm excited about. Crypto. ETH. It bought me in. And I'm still testing that strategy. Anytime it's below the 800-day moving average, that's been a good time to buy crypto. If we look below these lines, I have a bunch of them, but let's say these major period lines, that's been the best time to buy Ethereum and Bitcoin. If it gets down there, Bitcoin is not quite there. So I like having this robo strategy to get me in, and then I'll go check to see how it's doing. Maybe I add more, maybe I just keep what the robot bought me. But if you buy below these major moving averages, historically that's a good time to buy anything, whether it's a tech stock or a crypto. Put it in your account, the robot does it for you, no emotion. If it just tanks, it gets you in. You didn't have to think about it. You predefine your strategies. That's why I like it, because last time crypto or Bitcoin was down below the 800 period moving average, you know, I froze, I didn't get any, and then look what it did. It went up a bunch. What did it do? 5x? Well, imagine just getting in, getting any, a predefined amount, let the robot do it. It won't do more than I tell it to. And then I'll go check it later. Oh yeah, I bought that at the near the bottom. Could that happen again to ETH? I don't know. But statistically speaking, it might. So my robot gets me in. Same thing with AMD. My robot gets me in. I don't control the upside. I can't make it go up. But what I can do is program my automatic trading, my automated trading system to buy me a little when it's down where I decide. So I'm pretty excited about that. This SPY Flipper strategy that I'm doing, I'm also excited. I'm running 2 different strategies right now, an AM session and a PM session. So it will automatically check, is the market down at my parameters, and then get me in, or do nothing. But it'll keep doing that every day. I'll keep you posted. And again, I'll have the link down below. Let me know what you think. Or if you want me to try a different strategy, let me know as well. Check you later.